Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I will want to share with you. You know, Progress the analyst. I am here to keep you updated, and I'm here to say the truth, nothing but the truth. I know that a lot of people will be ups and down. I know that a lot of people will be angry. I know that a lot of people will be happy, but the truth got to be said. Now, it is unbelievable. Honestly speaking, it is unbelievable. You that is always happy, you that is rejoicing in the midst of conflict, whenever there is a problem, you are happy. You are there to take side. Oh, you are there to stand to raise your voice, blah, blah, blah. You are there to say all manners of lies, even what you know with what you don't know. My dear, there is something they call karma. There is something my people normally say, that any issue that you don't handle well, when you know your two brothers, your three sisters are having problem, and you know the truth, but you just decide to support the wrong person just for you to gain relevance, just for you to be noticed, or just for you to be promoted. A time will come, this thing is going to turn around and hit you on the head. Then you will realize the power of truthfulness. Now, I have discovered that these people that went to Finland, it would have been better if they did not go to Finland. Going to Finland is just like they don't even know the value or the dignity that is behind that Finland or that Biafra declaration. They don't really know, because if they knew what accompanied this declaration, all these things that is happening would have not been. Now, let us start one at a time. And make sure you do well to watch this video to the end, because if you reach your points at a time. Now, something happened. Dr. Ngozi, the chief of staff, she was on a live broadcast when she made a statement about the brother of Obaseki. Blah, 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 Urobani Soko Bam. Now, a lot of people in her own cabinet, the Biafra government cabinet, they are not the ones crucifying her, saying, oh, why will you have a contact of politicians? These people, they are Judas. These people, they are that. With this is a red flag. Oh, you're not supposed to talk to anybody. You're supposed to mind your business. You're supposed to do this, supposed to do that. Oh, for you talking with these politicians, you are a Sabo. For you having a contact with anybody in Nigeria, you are a Sabo. You are this, you are that. Hey, my brother. If you say this, that be say, and some people are saying, oh, what is the meaning of that? It does not mean anything. Why will you say because she talked to somebody, does that mean that she is no longer truthful to this Biafra cause? Does that mean that she has betrayed? They say, yes, you have betrayed them. Oh, PM will not be happy with you. PM said, disassociate yourself from any politicians in Nigeria. For you to have the contact of one of them is a red flag. Now, I will not blame those people that are saying this, because why I said I will not blame them, because this is what they do. Yes, I will say the truth. This is what they do. This is the direction they pass. Anybody they accuse you, they say the manners of things against you. And you will also be among the people that will not say, oh, stop. When does that happen? I believe that with this one that is happening to Dr. Ngozi now, it will make a lot of people to know that this person is just talking to a politician or something. It does not mean that the person has betrayed. Now, they are not saying that you need to have the contact of a politician so that you work together with the person. If because of that, they might grant the Biafra, or they might join you to fight for Biafra. And you know, a lot of people, as I said before, has been betrayed. A lot of people has been lied against. Yes, I will say the truth. On a day there, they lie against people morning, afternoon, evening. Say this person is a Sabo. This person have the contact of the governor of this. This person is talking to politician. And now, he don't reach Dr. Ngozi body. On I see the way the thing they be. Now, this is a call back home. Yes, it's a callback call that if you have ever supported anything that is not good, it is time you withdraw from it. If you have ever lied against people in this Biafra struggle, because they talk to politicians, because they talk to one person, and that the same thing has happened to Dr. Ugozi Orabueze, and a lot of people are now saying there is nothing wrong in it. What about those people that they have lied against? Yes, this is the time for everybody to stand for the truth. They have lied against a lot of people. They have betrayed a lot of people. They have used their mouth, their tongue to talk ill against a lot of people. And today, they are not defending Dr. Ugozi. I am happy. I am happy that a lot of people eyes don't open. If it's not Dr. Ugozi in the shoe of this issue, if it would have been another person, will you still back that person? Is a question I am asking, and I have every right to answer that question. If it's not Dr. Ugozi, if it's someone else, will you agree or will you support this person? Will you also support this person that the fact that he have a Nigeria friend in government house does not make the person Sabo? Will you believe this person or will you stand for the truth for this person? Now that you get to Dr. Ugozi, I am happy that everybody eyes now don't open. Now, use your tongue to count your teeth. Some people when they don't call Sabo, some people when they don't call betray, some people when they don't say they dine and eat with politicians. And now, so, you see, the truth, that is only what we stand the test of time. Please, I am happy, say, a lot of people eyes don't clear. Say some people when they don't lie against, is not true. And I thank God that with this thing that is happening right now to Dr. Ugozi, he go make this Biafra cause get you turn to be truthful. I know that the truth is bitter, but I must say it. Now that you are supporting Dr. Ugozi, that it does not mean anything. It does not make her a betrayer. It does not make her working with the politicians against the Biafra struggle. Now you support her, you give her your sincere go ahead. And you say the fact that she have all this contact does not make her evil because she never mean bad to this Biafra cause. Please, can you also stand like this for someone who don't have backbone? Can you also stand for the truth that the fact that somebody is communicating with the government does not make the person a betrayer? Can you stand for someone else like this? If this table turn to another person, will you be able to stand and speak the truth? Please, I want you to really share this video and I want you to keep this video so that tomorrow, if something like this happen, you should be able to know that once upon a time, Progress the analyst asked this question. If you not see anything wrong in it, of which I didn't see anything wrong in it, but this is what I have been shouting every time. When they go say person na Sabo, person na this, they go ask, how the person be Sabo? He said the Nigeria government is talking to one person in Nigeria, he's talking to Nigeria people, it means he's Sabo, he's a betrayer, let's put him aside. They go throw away the person, go one corner. Now I am not asking the question. If this thing happened to someone else, una go fit stand to say it does not matter. Can you stand to defend it? Can you stand to defend the person that it does not mean bad, that the person mean good, that the person is not Sabo, that the person is a truthful person? Can you do that? If you can do that, that means the world will be a better place for all of us. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Please, I just have to drop my own take because a lot don't happen. And Progress the analyst for these 4 years, I don't see a lot. So I need to return the brain and the minds of a lot of people. So please share this video and let it go viral. I still remain your one and only Progress the analyst. My work for you and to talk about CB. So please share this video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you, as I will keep you updated, and see you in my other video. Bye for now.